Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me for Singapore Fintech Festival coverage is Chris Lum, Head of Digital Sales at Saxo, to discuss the online broker and trading platform environment in APAC. Chris, it's great to meet you virtually. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thanks for having me, Jill, and welcome to the sunny island of Singapore.
I certainly wish I was there in person. Hopefully next year we'll have the opportunity. And we understand you have a presence in Shanghai, Hong Kong, and of course here in Singapore. Tell us more about Saxo and APAC and how you position yourself in this very competitive region.
Yeah, thanks a lot. So first of all, I guess Saxo Markets in Singapore is the APAC headquarters, and we have been in Singapore since 2006. In APAC, we have got offices in Sydney, Australia, and Tokyo, Japan, while our Greater China headquarters is in Shanghai, and we also have an office in Hong Kong. The region is competitive, yes, and as with other Asian markets, there are many smaller local brokers out there. Where Saxo stands apart is really our unique combination of an agile fintech mindset with close to 30 years of experience and track record in global capital markets to deliver the best trading experience to clients. So our founder, Kim Fonay, he started the company in 1992 with the goal of breaking down the barriers to trading and investment for everyone. And we were one of the first financial institutions to develop an online trading platform that provided private investors with the same tools and market access as professional traders, large institutions, and fund managers. And besides our tremendous range of global multi-asset offerings where clients can trade anything from stocks, commodities, to ETFs and options, our business model of being a facilitator also means we are able to bring in investment products for direct and indirect clients at a very good price with reduced levels of complexities. So all in, I guess our markets are growing very rapidly as the Asian trader and investor gets more savvy and familiar with how they want to control their growing wealth. So Saxo's position is really to be the broker of choice for everyone, be it their active trading needs or their long-term investment goals.
And Chris, of course, there are a number of fintech startups joining the game in the brokerage industry. How do you position yourself with this development?
So this is really interesting, Jill. We've seen the likes of many fintech startups, even in our region, jostling in this brokerage space. I think firstly, this is really good for this industry where many new entrants are pushing existing players into constantly upgrading their technologies to keep up. And in Saxo, we feel like we've been in the frontiers of this online trading space since day one. We're also seeing a lot of new technologies and offerings spring up in the last few years that have revolutionized the personal trading experience. I mean, if you take mobile trading, for example, in some parts of Asian demographics, more than 50% of traders are exclusively by the mobile phones alone. I guess secondly, and more importantly, this has been a boon to the consumers themselves, traders and investors alike. You know, they have really benefited from lower costs to trade and a wider range of products for their investment and wealth management needs. So as more clients enter the financial markets, as solution providers, we have a greater duty and responsibility than ever before to better support these clients and help them make more informed investment decisions. And Saxo is well equipped to do that, together with our state-of-the-art trading platforms, where we help clients through education, risk management strategies, and delivering great products and services.
And as you mentioned before, trading platforms have become more sophisticated compared with what we saw, say, 10 years ago. What are your clients looking for in terms of technology solutions today? And what is Saxo doing in terms of technology in order to stay competitive?
So in Saxo, we invest very heavily into our technology. As a fintech, even before the term fintech was created, right? We have always been focused on the client experience. For the more advanced and experienced investors and day traders, they tend to look for more sophisticated tools that are still easy enough to use and timely and personalized. For the regular investor, they would value a user-friendly interface over fancy tools. And then you have the ones who have spent more time in the markets, may also be looking to trade more complex products while not having to deal with the complicated interface. So we are doubling down on our efforts globally to create the most intuitive and user-friendly experience for all our clients, whether that is tapping into big data and AI to offer more personalized information to clients based on what they have been reading or trading on our platform, and incorporating features that can bring them timely and relevant market insights. So being at the forefront of the latest advancements in trading products and investment robotics, Saxo has been staying very close to the ground and listening to our clients to make sure we deliver the type of trading and investment experience that they want.
What are the most important types of tools and data sets for your clients, and what are they looking for in terms of market data and analytics? And second to that, how does Nasdaq Basic and Nasdaq Total View support your clients?
So we think that clients these days, they're very, very discerning, and they want access to robust technologies that give them an edge in the markets. Again, I go back to what I've mentioned earlier, where our more advanced and experienced traders and investors, they tend to look for more sophisticated market tools that help them trade more efficiently and profitably. Nasdaq has been a fantastic partner of Saxo for a really long time, and we are really grateful for the support this partnership has provided our clients. For many of our institutional and retail clients trading in the US markets, and mind you, Jill, this encompasses staying up to the wee hours of the night here in our region, right? Nasdaq Total View provides complete debt or book support, as well as it's the largest single liquidity pool in the US. And this really gives our clients the confidence they need to trade efficiently and competently in the US markets.
Chris, appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.